Diego Rivera and Moana, who are chilling out in Peru, and then they find this disc, which is just over there, that's consisting of a bunch of coordinates. When they chuck it in, it takes them over to Rangitoto Island. For those of you that are unfamiliar, that's a volcanic island that's just off the coast of Auckland right here. And what they do is they explore this underground cave in Rangitoto, and it takes them to this amazing site, which is our robot, and then a spaceship over here, both of which have been embedded into the rocks, which implies that they've been there for thousands of years. I'm going to kindly ask you guys, don't step on the rocks because they may get a phone, so if you do, you'll fall through and I will laugh at you. But this entire place is a little film set for you guys, including all the concept art as to how this lovely robot has come to be, including the aliens, which kind of resemblance to the Weta. And has anyone here, just out of curiosity, seen Metropolis before? Yes, got some cute hands up, I love it. The reason I asked that is because we've heavily influenced the robot from Metropolis based on this one, or the other way around, sorry. And that's because it is one of the very first sci-fi films that was ever made, so we kind of wanted to pay it some tribute. And now I've got a little exciting show for you guys, but I need the director who just stood up to give the A-OK. Do we have the A-OK to go on set? Beautiful. If you guys want to follow me on through. Beautiful. So you get the best experience if you kind of stand around here right in front of our lovely robot space. final message for all of us today? just saw a mini film set here at Weta Unleashed. How do we feel about it? Oh yes, I love the applause from our lovely robot over here. That's brilliant. So this gorgeous, stunning robot right here is made of 16 pieces of 3D printing that are currently sitting on top of an animatronic skeleton. And then on top of that, we have a layer of fiberglass and then 10 layers of paint, including black wash paint on the top to give that cool the effect to make it look rather old. So none of that is real metal, it just looks like it. You're welcome to take as many pictures as you like now. I'm more than happy to take some pictures for you guys. This guy over here is sorted. You've taken you had like a camera and your thing going the whole time. That was brilliant. You're welcome to have a look at some of the concept art as well. And then we'll be here for a couple minutes and then it's very sad to say that that will be the end of your internship. But I have one last thing for you guys. So take some photos. I'm more than happy to take some for you guys. Don't be shy. You were onto it, man.